Welcome everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. And in today's tutorial we'll be learning how to identify the names of fonts in any flyer design. Okay, so you can see this flyer before us here. It's having the girl child as the keyword in this flyer. Let's say I want to design something like this and I don't know the name and I don't have access to the original designer of this flyer. I then have to ask the person what's the name of the font. Yeah, there are other ways you can actually find the name of the font. We'll be learning how to do that in this video. So I'm going to come to where the flyer is like this, then I'm just going to screenshot it. Okay, so after taking the screenshots, they will go to Play Store, so we'll download the app we'll be using. So let's get to Play Store. So we're in our Play Store, so we're going to search the name of the app will be. So the name of the app is called What's the Font. What's the Font. Okay, so this is it. This is what the apps looks like. So after searching for it, you have to install it in your phone. Then you click on open for the app to open. Okay, so it's showing us this. It also gives you the camera version. If you have a printed design and you want to know the name of the font, you can actually use the camera parts. But since our own is a digital flyer, we just come to where we have this gallery icon and click it. So take us to our gallery where we are going to select what we just screenshot. So this is what we just screenshot here. So you can see that the app has automatically highlighted all the text that are here. So you just click on the main one that you want to look for. So let's click on this child. Just be careful, crop out the necessary parts that you want. Then after you've done that, you click on this blue circle here. Okay, so it's getting font results. Okay, so you can come to this pencil here. Just click on it and correct it and write child. Okay, click on done. Alright, so we are going to scroll down and look for the one that has similar fonts with that child. Just scroll everything. The reason why it's not actually giving us what we are looking for is because this font is a font added to a text effect. That's actually not giving us what we actually want. So let's go to the flyer and select something else. Let's select okay, let's select this. Okay, so we're just going to wait for it to load. Okay, so it's giving us lots of different fonts here. I want to select something legible, something very legible for everybody to see. Okay, let's work with this girl. Okay, girl. Let's correct the word here. Click on this pen. Click on girl. Then you go through this app, as in sometimes it doesn't give you exactly the name of the font, but it can give you similar fonts. Like this one here is looking similar. You can see it's giving us something similar to that font that you're looking for. So just keep on scrolling. So when you get the one you think it's okay, it's match it, you just copy the name and use it. Let's look for one that we'll use there. Okay, let's say school out open. We are picking this one here. Okay, so after getting the name, you copy it down, then you go to your Chrome browser where you are going to download it. So let's go and download the fonts. School out open. So I'm just going to say school out open fonts free download, and I'm going to search for it. Okay, so it's going to give me sites where I'm going to have them. So I'll click on one of the sites. I'm clicking on that font here. I'm just going to wait for it to load. Okay, so this is it here. Then you can come to where we have your download and click on download. It's going to download directly into your gallery. From there you install it into your pixellab. Then your font is ready. Let's try out another flyer. So let's get back to our flyer design. Okay, so let's look for the name of the font of those ladies. So I'm going to screenshot this first. Okay, good. After screenshotting it, then I'll go back to the Word the Font app. Then I'll go back and select something else. I'm going to select this. Okay, click on the ladies, click on this blue button here. It's going to load and give us. Okay, so let's edit this word here. Let's edit this word here. I think it's ladies talk. Alright, so you can see it's giving us something similar to that font here, so you can just scroll through. Okay, I can see this thing is matching it. This one here is matching it, so I'm just going to look at the name here and go and download it. So let's copy this name, then go to our Google Chrome and download it. Alright, so I'm going to type in the name of that font. I think I'm spelling this correctly. Let's go check it again. Latini Swash. Okay. Alright, so we have them here. So just come to any of the sites here and click on it. If they don't have the fonts, they're going to bring out similar fonts to it, fonts that are similar. Then you come here, click on download. So it's going to download directly to your phone. From there you take it to your pixellab and install it. So that's how to identify any fonts you see on any flyer. It's very easy. So please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified whenever I post amazing video like this.